taste test, we are trying 5 Food Network stars deviled egg recipes.
I personally love eggs, so I'm really excited about this. Torin, what about you?
I'm so excited. It's a little smelly in here, but I think it's gonna be good.
I've actually never had a deviled egg before, nor have I had a hard-boiled egg, and I don't love mayonnaise, so this should be interesting. I'll try anything once,
Okay, so
or 5 times.
Let's run down who we have. Ina Garten, Ree Drummond, Sunny Anderson, Tyler Florence, and Katie Lee.
Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell if you want to be notified about more videos like this. Any guesses just from looking at them?
There's some paprika or maybe cayenne. I actually definitely think that's cayenne, so this person likes it a little bit spicier. I feel like Sunny would do this.
And Joel is about to eat his very first hard-boiled egg ever. Okay, ready? Wait, cheers.
Cheers.
I'm just so happy for you.
The texture of the white is interesting.
Very flavorful.
It almost tastes like there's like relish in there. It tastes like a hot dog. Right? Are you getting hot dog butt? There's definitely mustard.
To me, I'm getting a lot of like mustardy, like Dijon
Okay,
flavor
yeah.
from it.
Maybe this was Katie Lee actually.
It could be, because it's kind of light.
And it's like sweet, and she's sweet.
Immediately, I think this is Ina, just because like she just does like classic food really, really well.
Yeah.
Are you going Katie?
No, actually, I'm gonna stick with Sunny.
I'm gonna go with Tyler, but I'm definitely gonna change that in like
Okay.
2 seconds.
Okay.
It looks like a sushi roll in an egg.
Doesn't this look like there's like tuna in there?
It does have a little
Or
tuna.
maybe, wait, or smoked salmon.
It's like a crab salad. Is that a thing?
There's lobster.
Oh.
I'm into that.
Tastes like a New York bagel.
I'm eating this whole thing.
I feel like this is something Katie Lee would be
Oh
fancy
my
with
god.
me.
Wait, I think this is Ina.
Yeah, no, I feel like she does do a slightly like Jewish recipes, and
Yeah.
this does feel a little Jewish.
Honestly, this tastes like Yom Kippur breakfast.
I 100% think this is Ina, and I know for a fact that she is Jewish, and I know for a fact that us Jews just love lox. I don't know if you can use any of this, but I am obsessed with lox, and I just feel like Ina would also be obsessed with lox.
I still think Katie might have done this one.
I think we're agreeing. We think that's Ina.
I know.
I don't know what those crunchy things are on the top.
They look like wontons that you get in Chinese takeout.
Lemonade.
It wasn't and spicy.
I'm getting lime or lemon. Lemon?
Is it pickle flavored?
Pickled jalapenos.
Chopped pickled jalapenos.
I would say this is Ree still, and I'm only saying that because of the Funyun.
That feels like Tyler Florence to me. I feel like he gets fancy with the flavor profiles.
That could actually be Sunny Anderson.
I feel like fried onions gives me like Sunny Anderson vibes.
I'm just gonna stick with Ree.
No, I think it's good if we have different guesses, because I feel like I'm gonna be blatantly wrong on all of them, so at least we'll mix it up.
The yolk looks a little bit green.
Kinda like-
There is a leaf on the top. I wonder what this is.
I right away am like feeling Ina from this, but we
Oh.
already used Ina on that guess, so maybe Tyler.
Okay, there's a green on top. It's probably Katie Lee.
I am getting heavy pickle flavor from this.
If this is pickle, this is Katie Lee.
I find it very light. Like, I'm kind of sticking with Katie.
These two taste pretty similar to me. This one's definitely
They
more
have
lemony.
the similar citrus flavor, but I
Yeah.
prefer this one.
I'm saying Tyler. Tyler, I feel like has a very refined palate.
And you find this very...
Yeah, this is very complex and sophisticated.
I'm keeping that one in the back of my mind.
What is that?
What is
crab?
Am I seeing lobster?
Okay, I wasn't expecting lobster. I don't know how I feel about that.
I can't taste
Doesn't belong
it.
here.
Yeah,
I don't know,
I
like-
literally can't taste the lobster.
Now that I know this is lobster, I'm positive it's Tyler because he
Yeah.
loves lobster rolls.
Yeah, I think this is Tyler too.
Who do you think this one is?
I don't remember who's gonna be left when I'm done picking the ones I'm sure of.
All right.
Let's see.
Okay, honestly, I'm pretty stumped. I feel like I usually do really well at these. I think we can talk this out and figure it out together.
Ina,
Ina, Tyler.
Ree, Sunny, Katie.
But also, Ree would also make a classic deviled egg. So I'm just gonna switch it up. I'm gonna say Ree, Katie, Ina, Sunny, Tyler.
I think this is Ree.
I think it's Sunny.
I think we agree that this one's Ina's,
Yeah.
right? I'm gonna go with Sunny for that one.
Wow, okay, I think Ree is number 3.
All right, so 4.
You thought it was Katie, right?
Oh, good, I'm gonna stick with that, I forgot,
Okay,
yeah.
I still think it's Tyler, and then I think that number 5 is Katie.
I think number 5 is not Tyler, but that's the only one I have left, so.
Oh.
I don't have a better guess. So, I mean, that's pretty like ultimate.
Also, by the way, these are all delicious. And all the recipes are on foodnetwork.com.
Okay, so I said Ree, you said Ina.
Will this be Ree or will this be Sunny?
Oh my god, it was Ree! Wait, what if I get every single one right?
Ree!
Okay, so number 2, I'm saying Katie Lee.
Same.
So we're both rooting for Ina here.
Yay!
Yes!
We knew it! Ina, you are a classy lady. Keep up the good work.
Yep.
Ina!
You were right.
I was right off the bat because I know she loves lox. Okay, so then if that one was Ina, I'm gonna say this one's Katie Lee.
I still think this is Sunny's.
We started off
so
pretty
now
good.
this one is probably Sunny.
Sunny!
I like
Feeling
your
good
style,
about this.
Sunny!
I just feel like, I feel like she's a fried onion girl.
Yeah, okay, so then this one, the pickle one,
It has to be Katie.
yeah. Katie. Okay.
Those are actually avocado.
I wish they were pickle.
It's Katie. You knew that.
No, I didn't.
No, you did.
Oh my god, yes! Wait,
I got everything wrong.
I'm just gonna just drop the mic and leave? Did I get them
Yeah.
all right?
Yeah, you did.
Tyler!
Wow.
Okay, and so the last one was Tyler.
I'm gonna do my research instead of doing my actual work, so that the next time I do taste tests, I get them all right, like Torin.
So do you think you're gonna start eating hard-boiled eggs now?
No.
Okay. I mean, I would make Ina's lox deviled eggs for my next bat mitzvah brunch.
I'm gonna eat my favorite one, the green one.
I think I've had enough. The taste of victory is all I needed.
Thank you guys so much for watching. You actually commented and asked us to try deviled eggs. So let us know in the comments down below what you want us to try next, and we might just do it. Bye.